There is no health without mental health. To help with day-to-day stress and challenges, here are the 7 tips to boost your mental health.
1. Find purpose and meaning.
This is different for everyone, but finding purpose in your day is a big factor to good mental health.
You might try one of the following.
Engage in work that makes you feel useful.
Invest in relationships and spend quality time with people who matter to you.
Volunteer, which can help enrich your life and make you happier.
Care for others, which can be as rewarding and meaningful as it is challenging. Think of one good deed or gesture to do each day.
2. Eat a brain-healthy diet to support strong mental health. Foods that can support your mood include fatty fish rich in omega-3s, nuts, walnuts, almonds, cashews and peanuts, avocados, beans, leafy greens, spinach, kale and Brussels sprouts, and fresh fruit such as blueberries.
3. Take up a relaxation practice.
Yoga, mindfulness, meditation and deep breathing can help reduce overall levels of stress.
4. Talk to someone. Talk to a friendly face. If you have concerns, stresses or worries, sharing these with someone who cares is one of the most effective ways to calm your nervous system and relieve stress.
5. Stay active.
Staying active is as good for the brain as it is for the body.
Regular exercise or activity can have a major impact on your mental and emotional health, relieve stress, improve memory, and help you sleep better.
6. Make social connection.
Especially face-to-face, a priority.
Phone calls and social networks have their place, but few things can beat the stress-busting,
mood-boosting power of quality face-to-face time with other people, especially those you love and people who energize you.
7. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night.
We all know that getting enough sleep is a good idea, but it has been shown to have a wide range of benefits.
Studies on sleep deprivation have found that it decreases cognitive performance, reduces alertness, and can lead to anxiety, depression and weight gain.
Getting enough sleep each night can help you feel better physically, mentally, and emotionally.